Good day mga commander, welcome back po muli sa ating channel. Kakaiba itong i-flex natin mga commander. Ito yung nag-viral sa Davao no nung nakaraang yung ito lang Iron Man. So ito siya is Iron Woman daw siya. Ni-live niya mga commander at gumawa siya ng kalokohan no sa Iron Man. Nagmotor siya mga commander, nagmotor siya kasi race to mga commander ng mga mountain bike race noon. Tapos Ironman kung tawagin. Tapos itong si Iron Woman ng Davao, ayan, nagpasaway, nakita niyo mga commander. Tara, flex ko lang mga commander, samahan niyo ako. Panoorin natin tong nag-viral sa Davao, Iron Woman. Let's go!
No, sir.
Gago na ko. Gago na yawa usa pa man. Hoy! Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Morning, sir. Okay, walang pila mo. Ay! Hello! Hello! Good morning! Good morning! Matrix! Ano ka palawakan, guys? Bawal daw. Pwede naman og pugson jud. Pwede ra gud. Ay, Iron Woman ni bay. Morning everyone. Morning sir. Morning po. Morning po sir. Hey! Good morning! Hey! Sir, morning! Ay, hala, sorry. Sorry po. Wala may mudakop. Dito ka sa trap. Puro mga ini dari po.
Imo to nimo, ma'am.
Okay. I'm not gonna hold my words, sir. Okay, so good morning, Davao.
Yes.
So again, ako ang purpose ato first and foremost is number one, to fuck the matrix. Fuck the system. Fuck the news. Fuck the media. Fuck the hospitals. Fuck the pharmaceuticals. Fuck the government.
Why did you say about fact?
Because they hold so much control and fear. The matrix is made for those in the upper class only. Kami nga nasa lower and poor class, parte na mong luuya. We don't have a voice. And this is the first time nga ang someone from the poor class, someone from the streets, someone with zero connections is speaking up finally, and a woman. It's time for all the women out there to start stepping into your power and stop being afraid and start showing up for your dreams.
Okay. Aside for that, ma'am,
Okay.
ano pa yung pakay na ba't mo ginawa kahapon?
Okay, for personal naman, for personal growth, okay, so number one is I want to face my fears. I want to test my limits. So, for every fear that you face, at the end of it is growth. So, I feel like I have grown as a person again. I have unlocked something again. That really fear is just an illusion. I may be here in the cell, but I'm safe. I'm not dead. And I'm not done. I'm just taking the first step, and I'm not gonna stop.
Ma'am, it is true, ma'am, na may karelasyon po kayo na naghiwalay po kayo.
Yes, it's true that I just came out from a 14-year relationship. That's
Okay.
true.
Tapos, aside for that, may negosyo po kayo na anong totoo po? Na bankrupt? Totoo ba yung na
Yes, I actually have businesses in Davao, in Ecoland and in Turil. I sell iPhones and vape. Unfortunately, due to my personal life problems and anxiety and depression, nabagsak talaga ako because na-burnt out ako, and then I didn't have any focus anymore to mind my business. It's the time na aking sarili naman yung isipin ko. It's time for me to heal.
Ma'am, okay lang ba mabalaan kung pilay imong puhunan po kapital nimo ato nga na
Well, I started from the bottom. So, nag-start lang jud kung isa lang ka cellphone.
okay.
Cherry Mobile or my phone lang to, like worth 3,000, and then gina buy and sell na